When working with the HPX170, you'll want to make sure you're in control of what the camera is doing. Before pressing record, make sure that the camera is set to manual. You want to make sure that you control the iris and the focus. You'll also want to set the white balance. The button is located at the front of the camera below the lens. To balance the camera to the correct color temperature, you press the button and hold it until the image comes back on. Make sure you know what your zoom is set to. It is advised to keep it on manual so that you control the speed at which you zoom. To set the iris to manual, simply press the button and you should see Manual Iris pop up on the LCD screen. The dial next to the iris button is what you use in order to open or close the aperture. When plugging audio into the camera, make sure that the correct inputs are selected. Always test before actually recording anything. When recording, it is important to know what recording format you are shooting at. In order to see this and change it, you simply press the menu button. Once the menu page pops up, go to number 5, which is Recording, Setup, and select it. The first item on that page is Record Format. You can see what the camera is currently set at and change it if you desire. To change it, click on the pause button and scroll up and down to the desired recording format. When finished, press the menu button until you exit it completely. Critical focus will allow you to make sure that your subject and anything in front of it will be in focus. You will need to zoom into your subject and focus in on a detail, such as a person's eyeball. Once it is focused, you compose your shot and are ready to record. The Panasonic records onto a memory card rather than a tape. At the back of the camera are 2 slots that hold P2 cards. Located above the mode button is the slot select button. You can choose what card you shoot on when you press it. If you look on the LCD screen, the card that is in use is the one where the box is filled in green. In order to view the clips, you must select the MCR mode. The mode button is also located at the back of the camera. Once you are in the MCR mode, you'll see the thumbnail image of the clips that have been recorded. Directly next to the eyepiece on the handle is the control for when you go into the MCR mode. It also allows you to navigate in the menus. It is a simple joystick, and by clicking on the pause button, it will select what you are currently highlighting at the moment. If you are unsatisfied with a particular clip, you can always delete a single clip or multiple clips. To do this, you can highlight the clips by clicking on them. You then press the menu button and select Operation. You will go to delete and it will confirm that you want to delete. If you are sure, you click on Yes. To format the entire card, you would need to click on the menu button, go to Operations, Format Slot 1 and Slot 2. You will again be asked to confirm the decision that you are about to make. This has been a Getting Started with the HPX170 tutorial.